Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a browser source to OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the website you want to add as a browser source. This could be any site you need to display during your stream or recording. For example, you might want to show a live tournament bracket from liquipedia.net, a chat interface, or any other web content. Once you're on the page you want to display, go ahead and copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. This URL is what will tell OBS exactly which web page to show in your scene. Now switch over to your OBS application. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your visual elements like cameras, images, and browser sources are managed. Click on the plus icon in this Sources panel to add a new source. From the menu that appears, select Browser from the list of available source types. This opens up the browser source configuration window. Click OK to proceed to the settings page. In the configuration window that opens, you'll notice there's already a URL field with some default text in it. Go ahead and delete this existing URL completely. Now paste the URL you copied earlier from your web browser into this field. This tells OBS which website to load as your browser source. Right below the URL field, you'll see options to set the dimensions of your browser source. In the width field, type 1920. Then just below that, find the height field and type 1080. These dimensions match a standard Full HD resolution, which means your browser source will fit perfectly on your canvas if you're streaming or recording in 1080p. Once you've entered both values, click OK to confirm and add the browser source to your scene. After adding the browser source, you might notice it appears in your OBS scene and you can resize or reposition it as needed. If you want to crop a specific area of the web page and only show a portion of it, OBS makes this really easy. Simply hold down the Alt button on your keyboard, then click and drag inward from any edge of the browser source. This creates a crop that lets you focus on just the content you want to display. Release the Alt key once you're satisfied with the cropped area. And that's it. You've successfully added a browser source to OBS Studio and customized it to fit your streaming or recording needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.